Hello guys! Welcome back to my channel, Mathematics with Miss Jen. In my previous video, we learned how to add and subtract polynomials. For today's video, we will learn multiplication of polynomials. Remember, in multiplication of polynomials, we will apply distributive property. To multiply unlike sign, the answer is negative. To multiply like sign, the answer is positive. And add the exponent of like variables. Let's go to answer our first example. Here we have x plus x squared plus 1 multiplied by 5x. So let's apply distributive property like a times b plus c is equals to ab plus ac. Let's answer this example. Here we will multiply x by 5x. So 5x times 5x is equals to 5x squared because the exponent of x here is understood that it is 1. And also here in 5x. So 1 plus 1 is 2. So we have 5x squared. And the sign, since this is positive, so it is positive. Next, x squared times 5x. So the answer is 5x cubed because we have exponent here of squared or 2 plus 1 is 3. So 5x cubed. Since the sign here is positive and here is positive, so positive times positive, it is positive. Next, we have 1 times 5x. So the answer is positive 5x. So this is our answer. After that, we will arrange the expression according to exponents or in order. Since 5x cubed is the highest exponent, followed by the 5x squared plus 5x. So this is our final answer. 5x cubed plus 5x squared plus 5x. Let's go to our second example. Here we have 7q raised to the power of 6, negative 7q raised to the power of 6, minus q raised to the power of 4, multiplied by negative 2q squared minus q raised to the power of 5. As you notice, we have two terms here and two terms here. So we have binomial by binomial. So let's apply FOIL method or FOIL for us to remember the method. So F for first. So this is the first term in the first set of binomial, and this is the first set in first term in other set of polynomial. So we have negative 7q raised to the power of 6 multiplied by negative 2q squared. So remember, negative and negative, the answer is positive. And our exponent, we will add. So 6 plus 2. So our answer here is 7 times 2 is positive 14. Q raised to the power of 8 because here we have exponent here 6 and the other one is 2. So add the exponent. So we have 14q raised to the power of 8. Next, for our O means outer. So these are the outer terms in a polynomial. So we have negative 7q raised to the power of 6 multiplied by negative q raised to the power of 5. So negative and negative, it is positive. So 7q raised to the power of 11 because 6 plus 5. So we have 11. Next, for I, inside. So inside is here. So we have negative q raised to the power of 4 multiplied by negative 2q squared. So negative and negative, it is positive. And then the answer is positive 2q raised to the power of 6. Because 4 plus 2 is 6. And for letter L, which is the last. So the last term that haven't yet multiplied, so that will be the for L. So q raised to the power of 4 or negative q raised to the power of 4 times negative q raised to the power of 5. So we have positive q raised to the power of 9 because 4 plus 5 is 9. Then we will arrange our expression or polynomials according to exponent. So since 7q raised to the power of 11 is the highest exponent, so it will be the first term. And then followed by q, 9, and then 8, and then 6. So this is our final answer. 7q raised to the power of 11 plus q raised to the power of 9 plus 14q raised to the power of 8 plus 2q raised to the power of 6. As you notice here, our exponent is arranged in descending order from highest to lowest. That's all for today, guys. Watch out for my next video about division of polynomials. Thank you for watching. Until the next video. Please subscribe, like, and share, and click the notification bell to get updated on my latest video. My name is Jen, and I love math.